To access our inbox, we click on the left pane to verify how many messages that we have that are unread, and then we go through the message and then click the left button on your mouse, double tap on your touchpad on your laptop, or just touch on your screen for your touchpad or tablet. There is a pop-up that allows you to add the email recipient to your contacts if you don't have the contact already. But in this case, this is a no reply contact. It should be ignored since it comes from the team at Google. But what we want to do at this point is to open the email. We have a welcome message showing us that we've successfully completed our email setup and configuration. The message reads, "Hi Oren, thank you for creating a Google account. Here is some advice to get started with your Gmail account. You're in control. Choose what's right for you. Manage your privacy, security settings at any time in your Gmail Google account, where you can sign up for privacy checkup, reminders, and take the security checkup and more. To access your Gmail, there's also an option on how to do it on an Android or on iOS. There's also a way to discover other products that Google offers, as well as other connected apps that are part of the Google ecosystem. We do not have to reply to this message, but it will help to understand where you can reply to a message. On the top right of an email, you would see the first option that allows you to print all, then the next option that allows you to open the message in the new window. Now this will take this message in its entirety and open it in a new tab where you can read the message comfortably without any distractions. Now what we're going to do at this moment, we're going to analyze the message. We're going to look at the key points and what Google recommends as a basic standard message. Now, what is a standard message? A standard message contains all the validated security that comes from a regular email. That out of Google magic, it has been verified to be secure and safe, free from spam and free from any malicious intent. How do you know? How do you check this? Well, I am new to Gmail. Well, if you're new to Gmail also, have a look here. The from line shows you where the message comes from, the sender of the message, the email address of the message. The second line shows you where the message reply will go to when you choose to reply by clicking the reply or the back arrow that signifies reply. The message was sent to us, so you can see that's our email address. The date as of the 21st of Jan 2020 at 11:15. The subject, mailed by, signed by, security, and then there's your indicator. This signifies that the message is somewhat important according to what Google refers to as Google magic, to detect spammers and those people who are doing scams online.